Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Srimali. I hope you all are doing very well. Today, I will tell you about effect of Mercury transit. But firstly, let me tell you about Mercury. Mercury is the planet of wisdom. The transit of Mercury affects your intelligence, your thinking power, and your speech the most. In Vedic astrology, Mercury is the messenger of God. It is the lord of the Gemini and Virgo signs. Mercury is also the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the planet of communication and it symbolizes areas related to banking, finance, trade, accounts, or mobile networking, computers, service providers, etc. This time, Mercury will transit in Gemini from 7th of July to 25th of July 2021. Dear friends, now let's start the prediction of the basis on Mercury transit. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. Money will be spent on important works in the business. You can get an auspicious opportunity for job advancement. A student should study and do some exercise for good health. At home, you will be able to spend a lonely time with your family members. Planets will be in your favor in terms of health. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. The problem going on in the business will be solved. Work will be done with hard work at the workplace. You will be able to complete the daily work on time. There is a possibility of losing purse or any expensive thing. Be alert. In married or love life, you need to overcome your aggressiveness. Your health will be very good, but some carelessness causes you harm. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. There is little bit possibility of getting money stuck in the business. Authorities can be unhappy with the work of employed people because of your laziness. You will not be able to give your 100% effort. It will be better for you to spend health in peace and meditation. Love and harmony with your spouse will decrease, but things will become better soon. Now let's move to crab, that is Cancer. The income and reputation of the business people of reselling will increase. Seniors in the job and partners in the business will get positive news. Government agent can attend any important meetings. Students will concentrate on their study from home. Do not waste your time solving others' problem. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. The partner will get benefit from the existing or new business. Opponents and enemies will be weak due to your positive mindset. Students will be busy completing their pending task. Some important work will be done in the job and good news will be received. You will enjoy time with family and loved ones. Sudden trip plan can be executed. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. With concentration and efficiency, you will be able to do well in your online business. You will feel very enthusiastic about doing your work at the workplace. Artists and players would like to proceed with their enthusiasm. Your family and marital life will be normal. If your love partner was ill, they would start recovering by this period. You may face some health related issues, so be aware. Now let's move to scales, that is Libra. Money is likely to benefit you, especially for jewelry, marketing, food, beverages, shop traders. Job oriented persons will see promotional opportunities. Things can remain normal in love or marital life. Taking time regularly for exercise can be beneficial for your health. Ideological differences with the father may end. Students can achieve more with your communication skills. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Business of dairy products, processed food, outsourcing, medical will do really very good. Due to lack of proper resources at the workplace, you will not be able to give the work on time. Higher education and competitive exam students will see new era of positive result. You may bother by negative thoughts. To avoid negative thoughts, do yoga and meditation. Your friendship or marriage proposal may accept it very soon. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Suddenly business expenses may increase, so spend accordingly. You may have a little tension in personal or professional life also. If you want to start new business, take any step with proper planning. Marriage totals can be made for unmarried natives. You can also get an opportunity to spend a good time with a partner in a romantic life. You also need to be careful towards health. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. New investment planning can be made in the e-commerce, web hosting and reselling business. Your name and fame will increase in the office. You will help colleagues to overcome their problems. Students, artists and players will get positive results. Keep yourself as healthy as possible so that you will never suffer from anything. You may be troubled by blood pressure, high or low, and stomach disorders. Now let's move to Water, that is Aquarius. You may face problems in business, but taking experienced efforts will never let you down. There are chances of getting profit in the work due to which you will get good results. Students of technical, medical or higher management education will find new path of life. This can be unauspicious for administrative officers in the job, but never lose hope. Love or marital life will become more attractive. Now let's move to Fish, that is Pisces. There will be benefits. New opportunities will be available in business. You can start working on a new assignment on the job front. Efforts at the workplace will lead to success in the work. Students will be able to concentrate in their studies. Marital life will be good because of your health. You will enjoy family trip which you are planning since long time. My dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies which will give you some auspicious results. Feed cows with green fodder or green vegetables. Offer beauty products and take blessings from Kinnar transgenders. Gift green sari or green bangles to your sister or aunt. Apply white sandalwood tilak on your forehead every day. So, dear friends, it was my analysis for Mercury transit. I will always be available for you to solve your problems. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. At the end, all I want to say is, if Mercury is in your favor, you will get new heights of success. So achieve the goal with a smart approach. Thanks for watching this video. Namaskar. Bye bye.